Hey guys, Drew Kane here from Basic Memory. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new installer for macOS. So let's dive in. First, I'm here at basicmemory.com and I'm going to go into the documentation. And from here, there is a Getting Started section. Let's click on that. And all right, you'll notice right here, there's a little script to copy. I'm just going to click the Copy to Clipboard button right here. And now we're ready to get started. Well, actually, before we do, I wanted to mention that the best experience is for you to have Claude installed if you're going to use Claude, because the installer can configure it for you. So I do recommend you go ahead and install Claude first if you have it. And then let's head over to the terminal. So I'm going to click on the launch pad and just type terminal. Then I am going to paste in this command that we just got from the docs and press enter. Great. So basic memory is installing. So while that happens, let me tell you a little bit about what's going on here. Basic memory is built with Python, and we use a utility called UV to install Python. Here it's asking me if I would like to update my path, my configuration to remember this. So I'm going to press yes. And then you may notice this dialog appear on your screen. You might not. If you don't worry. But if you do, you can ignore it. It is offering to install some Python tools for you that you don't need. So basic memory runs fine without it. I tend to just push cancel. Sometimes I've noticed that it will appear again with a slightly different prompt if I push cancel too soon, because I'm very happy to try to install these things I don't need. But if you see that, just push cancel. If you do press install, that's okay too. You can let it install. It won't hurt anything. Or you can press stop after you've already pressed install and you don't want to wait, because it does take around 15 minutes or so. It's quite a large installation, whatever it's doing. So anyway, that's not necessary. And again, basic memory runs fine without it. So as you can see, the installer for basic memory is running, and it just finished. So now it's asking us, do we want to add basic memory to our Claude Desktop configuration? This is why you want to install Claude first, because yes, you do want to have it configured for you automatically. I'll press enter on that. Great, and so basic memory is installed. A couple things to note here. One is there is a backup of your configuration file at this path. If you had MCP servers already installed, it has just added basic memory to that list. Otherwise, you probably don't need the backup, but in any event, backup's there for you, and your knowledge is going to be installed at the default location, which is your home directory, in a folder called basic memory. So this folder is created for you. Basic memory does have a command line interface. So if you're going to use that in the terminal, you will need to restart your terminal. And of course, we need to restart Claude. So I already had Claude closed up, so we'll start him here in a second. Before we do, I wanted to point out two more things. One is there's a link to the docs right here in case you need it. And then also, if you run into trouble, there is live help available for you on Discord. We have a Discord server, and you can paste this link into your browser, and it will pop you over to our Discord server. There's a help channel in there, and we would love to help you out if you get stuck. So come see us. And let's go ahead and see if Claude is ready to go. So I'm going to open him up. All right. And great. Things are looking good. I don't see any errors. Before we go too far, I am going to open up the settings and see if basic memory is working correctly. So here I just went to the Claude menu, clicked on settings. I'm going to click on the developer tab. Okay, great. And basic memory is running just so you can see it's installed here. It's running. And now let's see if it works. So I'm going to open a new chat. And we're going to say, hi, Claude. Is basic memory working? And great. Basic memory is working. And that's all you need to do. So we are really excited about the new installation process. We hope you'll give it a try and let us know if you have any feedback. And we'll see you in the next video.